Back with another install, and today's wig is a water wave bob. It is such a beginner friendly wig, and I think it's also perfect for the summer, being that it is water wave and it can get wet and it's short, so you ain't gotta worry about being too hot. Probably took me all of 5 minutes to install and style it, so if you're looking for your new look this summer, keep watching this video. I will say the water wave texture was very defined, so it has the elastic drawstring, it has the adjustable band, and before putting it on my hair, I usually go ahead and make all my adjustments beforehand, so I just tighten it up, pull the drawstring, because I know my hair is little, so yeah, I just get it done beforehand. In the front to layer my face more, because, and I did end up spraying pretty generously with the water, and after that I went in with some mousse, so I did go in and blow dry it because I did want to get back to like that initial look, and I honestly think it just looks even better than the initial look because it did need that little water and a little product, and now we get like the full potential of what this wig is really giving. So yeah, overall I think that this is such a cute wig. I will say she's a bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm not mad at it. I could literally see me in this wig in a bathing suit, and if you're looking for a perfect summer wig,